Hi preschool friends, it's Miss Shelley. Today we are going to measure gingerbread men, and we are going to talk about which gingerbread men are the biggest and which one is the smallest. And then we'll talk about the sizes in between. All right, so first let's get them in order of size. Which one do you think is the biggest gingerbread man on here? Yes, that's right. He is the man in green. He is in green, isn't he? So right here behind me, I'm going to put him up right here. He is the biggest gingerbread man. Which gingerbread man do you think comes next? That might be tough. Do we want to compare the red gingerbread man and the yellow gingerbread man and see which one is bigger? Okay, let's see. Which one of those gingerbread men do you think is bigger? I think it's kind of hard to tell. So I'm going to take the clip off and I am going to put them like this. Which one do you think is bigger? The yellow gingerbread man or the red one? They are almost the same. But I will tell you, this gingerbread man is just a little smaller. So they are pretty much the same. So we are going to put them next. So here is the red gingerbread man. And here is the yellow gingerbread man. He is just a smidge smaller than him. So then, which gingerbread man do you think comes next? Good job. Yes, the purple gingerbread man. He comes next. Let's do this. That's right. This is the biggest so far, and this is the smallest. And then look, we just have one gingerbread man left. So he is probably the smallest. That's right. So this is our gingerbread men, and they go from biggest to smallest. Now let's measure. Let's measure and see with our snap cubes, how tall is this gingerbread man? I have my snap cubes here, and I'm just gonna do this for now and hold it up. And remember, when we measure, we go from the very bottom to the very top. So let's pull him down just a little bit. If I am right here at the bottom and I go to the top, oops, I better take one off. This is how many snap cubes tall our gingerbread is. Let's count. He is 1, 2, 3 snap cubes tall. That is the littlest gingerbread man. He is 3 snap cubes tall. So I'm gonna put him right here, right where he was, and I'm going to write 3 under him to remind me that he is 3 snap cubes tall. Okay, let's go to the next gingerbread man. That would be this one. And let's see, how tall is he? Again, remember, you start at the bottom and you go all the way to the top when you're measuring, okay? So we'll do this. I am at the, and I come all the way, oops, about right there. So I'm going to take 2 of those off. And look. Let's get him back where he needs to. There we go. So if you look, this gingerbread man is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snap cubes tall. So he is 2 cubes taller than him, isn't he? Okay, so we'll put him over here and I'll write the number 5 to remind me he is 5 snap cubes tall. Good job, friends. Let's go to the next gingerbread man. Here is our next gingerbread man. Again, remember, we measure from the bottom to the tippy top. Here he is. Oh, that is too many. So I need to take one off. So, how many snap cubes tall is he? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This gingerbread man is 6 snap cubes tall. So we're gonna put him up and we're gonna put a 6 by him so that we remember he is 6 snap cubes tall. And actually, we are going to switch them around. And then we have him over here, and he is 6. So he is 3 snap cubes tall, he is 5 snap cubes tall, and he is 6 snap cubes tall. Let's go to our next gingerbread man. See how tall he is. And remember, again, when we measure, we start at the very bottom and we go all the way to the tippy top. And remember what I said about him and this gingerbread man? They're almost the same. Whew, this is gonna be close. So here I go with my gingerbread man. And he is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's also 6 snap cubes tall. I really can't give him another one. So we'll put a 6 there. Now let's do our biggest gingerbread man. Here he is. Look at him. He's so big. And again, the same thing when you measure. You start at the bottom and go all the way to the top, okay? So I'm just gonna add a few more on here and then we'll see how big he is. I am at the bottom. Oops. And I probably need to take one off. Just one. I don't need to take 2 off. Here we go. It's our last gingerbread man. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He is 8 snap cubes tall. Oh my goodness. So let's put an 8 under his arm. Now we are going to look, and I want you to look at the numbers I put under every one of those gingerbread men, okay? Which gingerbread man has the biggest number under his arm? He does, doesn't he? How many snap cubes tall was he? Yes, he was 8 snap cubes tall. And then which gingerbread man is the smallest or has the smallest number? That's right. This gingerbread man, he was only 3 snap cubes tall. Good job. And then there were 3 that were in the middle. And which of those 3 is the biggest? Yep, we have 2 that are pretty much the same. And what are their numbers? How many snap cubes tall were they? Yes, they were 6 snap cubes tall. And then our last little gingerbread man, how many snap cubes tall was he? He was 5. That's right. So this one is the biggest, and this one is the smallest. Good job, friends. You just learned how to put your gingerbread men in order by size, and you learned how to measure them with snap cubes. I would love to see some of the things you have at home to measure. Have mom or dad send us a video so we can see you measuring with your snap cubes. See you later, friends. Bye.